Hey guys, this is Diana the Paper Pineapple and I'm back with another unboxing video. So really quick, on Instagram, I joined this giveaway and I usually don't win anything, but I was super lucky and won this great package of like journaling cards and a stamp set. And I didn't realize that this company is from Germany. So I just got this package yesterday. As you could see, like it's like a totally different label and it says Germany. So let's go ahead and open this up. Maybe it'll be better if I just cut this open. I'm super excited. I usually don't win giveaways, so that's super cool. I'm super excited to see. So this company is called Mediterranka Design. And this is their 2024 stamp set. I absolutely love it. I'll go ahead and leave their information below, link it so that you guys can check it out. I just feel like nowadays, everything is just closing down, like all these companies. And I know, I understand that it is very challenging to have your own business. So kudos to all those that still have companies out there for our hobby. I just feel like it's going to quickly go away, and I'm sad because I don't want it to go away, but this is absolutely amazing. Thank you again to Mediterranka Design for hosting this giveaway and for allowing me an opportunity to win this. I absolutely love it. I love this 2024, the currently highlights, tomorrow, yesterday, today, right now. Love this. I love that it has the bold and the outline of it recorded. Sometimes good stories are created while documenting dreams. For the record, this happened. All the details documented. I love this. And here are the card set that came with it. And here is a thank you card from them. So I'll go ahead and link all their information so you can connect with them. Thank you for supporting my business. I put my heart and soul into my products. So if you like the order, I'll be grateful for your review. So it's definitely going to give them a review for this. Beautiful product. I know it's kind of hard because it's international shipping, right? So I can only imagine what that must have cost. So thank you again for sending me this. So here are the cards that came with it. Positive energy, I love that. Happiness. I like to see products around the world. They have like a different feel. I don't know, I just like to see their creative stuff that they make. So that's happiness, fall in love with yourself, best friends. I love that card. Look at how pretty that floral is with the leaves. I like how they tie in the fall with that. Believe that life is worth living. A daily reminder, we all need that. This made me happy. I love that. I love these rainbow labels, I guess, so you can jot down and journal stuff. I love this one. It says, yay. Make today amazing. Enjoy today and every day. I love how it's like embracing, like loving life, right? Love yourself, smile, foodie at heart. I love this card. Attract good energy, radiate positivity. I like all the good vibes from these cards. Quote of the day. It seems like very uplifting. I love the palette. Very soft and still with the oranges and the greens. Best day ever, making memories. Adventures are even better when shared. Best day ever with my partners in crime. I love that. Could definitely see myself doing that with my friends. A pretty floral card. Enjoying the little things in life. I like how it has the little floral bits at the bottom. Things that made me smile. Kind of like a weekend review kind of a thing. That'd be cute. Of course, your home. And I love that this one says, memories are like books. A few live in our hearts through life. And the rest, like the bills we pay, are read and then forgotten. That's actually a good quote. And I like this one, like chasing dreams in like different colors. So that is it for my little unboxing. I absolutely love all this, and thank you so much again for Mediterranka Design for sending me this and allowing me a chance to use their products. Thanks again, and I will put their information in the description if you'd like to take a look, or maybe if you live in Germany, you could probably check their products out as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.